All right, guys, welcome back. So today is the final walkthrough for the duplex before we close on it at the end of the week. I am very excited and very nervous, but today we're going to be walking through. A few of the subcontractors who are working on this job are going to be meeting me here. So we're just super clear on what needs to be done. I'm going to take some final measurements. We're going to get a sample from the popcorn ceilings to make sure there's no asbestos. And yeah, we got a day ahead. Let's go. How you doing today? It's a little wet. Hey, Amy. This is the garage. I think we have like the furnace in here, and then the AC is outside, obviously.
Just one on this?
There's one on each side.
Oh,
so
okay.
we would have to go around. This is a duplex, so we're gonna do both sides.
Oh, right.
Yep. The lights. You said it? There we go. So one thing I need to do is get a sample of these popcorn ceilings and make sure we don't have any asbestos. And did I forget my screwdriver and baggie? What's up?
So they have this tag on here. But this gas line coming out this furnace, it can't be flat. It has to.
Oh, it has to be going straight out.
It has to have this lease coming out, and you can go flex here. But inside this fan, you can't have this flexible pipe here.
Okay.
That's probably why. That's not
Something to fix.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, let's do it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So I was supposed to bring a screwdriver to scrape some of the popcorn ceiling, but I lost it. Voila. Now I gotta decide where I want to scrape from. Oh, we're not sure yet. Probably not, but just want to be sure that there's no asbestos in it. I know, but I don't want to. This isn't all that sturdy, I don't know. Also, they found this in the attic. Like original, still sealed. Okay. You might not want to breathe any of this in, just in case. Other thing on my list, measure this back door. I'm just gonna get an all-new door. It's 31.5. What's that? We need to replace this door. $80. Yes, which I believe like 32 by 80 is the standard exterior door size, so that's good. And we will just get another one ordered. Hey there.
Hi.
How you guys doing?
Good, how are you?
Good, thanks for coming out.
Yeah, of course.
So, you want to just walk through and kind of talk about some of the things?
Sure.
Awesome. Do you guys mind if we film?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. So, one of the things we talked about was like getting the tile up. So, there's tile here and then in both bathrooms.
Okay.
And we want to take it back to the concrete because the flooring is going to be The same throughout, yep. So demoing up this tile, honestly don't know if there's anything under here, but then also getting up the carpet tacks. Carpet tacks kind of go throughout. Then the other bathroom is back here. Also want to take up this flooring. Same thing, trying to get back to the concrete.
Okay.
And here's the bathroom tile.
Okay.
Same thing. So flooring's going to be the same all throughout.
Okay. All right.
Simple enough? Okay. We said light fixtures. So I will purchase all the light fixtures, and that'll be one of the last things we do after painting.
Right.
And just come back in and switch them out.
Okay.
Let's go talk about the kitchen. Oh, actually, before I forget, this spot right here, with this crack in the concrete, it's actually not that unlevel, just a little bit. So I wanted to ask you, do you think it'd be better to sand it flat or to like put some filler and just kind of feather it out?
Well, before you put the filler, you do sand it.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, this is going, it has to go all the way down. Fire it up, back to level it.
Okay, so you want to like put in the whole concrete leveler here?
Yeah, unless you want it to leave it like that, but you'll be able to see it once you put the floor.
I don't need it to be 100% level. What I need is, we're doing the vinyl plank flooring. So it can have like a little bit of give because it's flexible floor. It's just if it's over, I'll find out like what the exact measurement is. But then it won't lock. But it doesn't need to be like 100% level.
Okay.
Just kind of smoothing this out because like there's that lip right there.
Right.
And then we've got another crack in this bedroom I want to show you too. So same thing,
Yeah.
like right here.
Yeah, you sand
And
it
right
first and then you fill the crack.
Okay.
Yeah. And then if there's anything left after that, you sand it again. But yeah, this can be done.
Okay, great. And then we talked about the kitchen, the ceiling. So this part right here is actually like, it's there's probably electrical in here. So we're gonna leave this, but over here, it just goes straight up to the ceiling. So we just wanna take this down, this framing, and then we'll have like all of this up to the cabinets, just all coming down,
Okay.
so that it goes back up to the original ceiling.
Okay. So just make cuts and leave the cabinets.
Yep, leave the cabinets. This, like you can see right here, is where all the electrical is. So that will have to stay, but from here over, that'll be good.
All right. So you want to move all the wood.
Yeah,
Okay. Except for that.
except for that. And then like above the cabinets, it will just be the wall.
Okay. All right.
Cool. And then I think the last thing was the upstairs bathroom tile. So of course there's more carpet tacks, but then this tile is so much higher than the
Yeah.
subfloor. So there's probably a couple of layers
Yeah.
that need to come out. The same thing everywhere when you get back to the subfloor.
Okay. Yeah, right here it'll be some wood, Okay. You don't need us to remove anything on here, right?
Like the plywood? No, we're gonna go over the plywood with the.
Or the carpet blocks.
Oh, we do want the carpet tacks up.
Okay. On every room, stairs as well, or just
Yep, everywhere.
everywhere? Okay. All right.
Cool. I think that's it. Any questions for me?
So basically, you want all the floors to be prepared for the new install.
Yep.
Okay. Including stairs.
And I will talk with the flooring provider and figure out how much, it has to be leveled out. It doesn't have to be 100%. But then I'll get back to you. And then I forgot there's tile right here too.
Right.
So coming up everywhere. thank you for coming out, and just text me if the estimates that I sent you are good, and I will get back to you with the information about the flooring.
Okay. So I'm assuming you're gonna have like a dumpster, so we can put it in.
Yeah, we can get a dumpster.
Okay. I mean, it won't be much, but we still, we like to have something out here, so it's just not that.
Okay, we'll get a small one.
All right.
The vinyl and the drywall. Remember these I was showing you? So we can go look. All right, that was the final walkthrough. Just talked through a couple of the contractors with some things we needed to get clear on. And yeah, I'm feeling very excited, but also very nervous. Now, what did I do with that sample? I hope I didn't leave it in there. Come on, Lili. Are you serious? Oh, are you serious? I'm about to be so hurt. Got it. Okay. So now we're gonna take this sample to the asbestos testing place to see, hopefully there's no asbestos in those popcorn ceilings. And then, I don't know what else we have to do, we'll figure it out. Let's go. All right guys, so quick break from the vlog to show you what the plan for this rehab actually is. So when we jump over to the screen, you can see that all of the flooring in this side of the duplex has been ripped up. And so we're gonna go with a luxury vinyl plank throughout. And hold on, I actually have a sample of the flooring here. Hold on one second. Okay, so this kind of gray wood look flooring is what's gonna be going throughout, and this is that tongue and groove flooring. So as you put down one piece, you kind of just lay the other piece in, and then it clicks like that, and you can't even really tell where the seams are. So this is gonna be throughout everywhere. It's very water resistant, almost waterproof, very durable, it's scratch resistant. I have this in one of my rental properties now, and it's a really, really good flooring. You'll get more about this flooring later, but that's what's gonna be going into the downstairs. We're gonna paint the trim, so where you see the like oak baseboards and oak trim up here, that's gonna be painted white. New light fixtures everywhere. This stone is gonna be whitewashed. I'll show you guys a picture of that. And this wood paneling is gonna be painted white as well. So just gonna freshen it up. We're gonna keep the skylights. I'm excited about that. They are a little leaky right now, but there's gonna be a whole new roof as well. So when they put in the new roof, they're gonna be fixing and putting in new skylights. Kitchen. So when we look at the kitchen, this tile flooring, that's coming out, and the same vinyl plank flooring is gonna go throughout there. The cabinets, I'm gonna paint the cabinets. We're gonna have the upper cabinets be white and the lower cabinets be a certain color. So you guys can let me know in the comments what color you think. Right now I'm leaning towards like a blue. We'll replace the appliances with like stainless steel appliances. This drop ceiling that you've got right there, that's coming out because it just brings the height of the kitchen down so much. I really don't like that. So yeah, I think that's everything from the kitchen. Then you've got the bedrooms, same thing. We're actually getting new windows throughout. Same thing with the trim, that'll get painted. New light fixture, everything will get painted in here. Let's see. Laundry room, same thing. The cabinets will get painted. These cabinets will probably get painted white, and then the laundry machines. This flooring is coming out. The flooring is gonna be the same throughout the entire house. Even in the bathrooms, this flooring is perfect for bathrooms. We're gonna get a new mirror. We're gonna get new vanity countertops, a new toilet. Get rid of this coloring in the bathroom, get rid of this painting in the bathroom, these light fixtures, that's all gonna be new. We're gonna reglaze the bathtub. So this shower insert's actually in really good condition, but we're gonna reglaze it so that's gonna be white and that it'll be, you know, a fresh coating there. So that's a really good option because reglazing it only costs about $600, whereas putting in a brand new one is definitely in the thousands between the material and the labor and messing with the plumbing and all of that. This is the upstairs bedroom. These bedrooms are really, really big. Same thing, same flooring throughout, paint, new light fixtures, new vinyl window. They've got like this Jack and Jill bathroom in between where each side has their own sink. So we'll freshen up the cabinets, put in new countertops, new mirror, new light fixture. Bathroom, same thing, we're gonna glaze this tub insert. We're gonna get that tile out of there, same flooring. trim is all gonna be white. Walls are gonna be probably white or like an off-white, maybe like a grayish white on the walls, and then the trim will be white. This is the other bedroom. That's gonna be painted, and the same thing in there. That's the other side of that sink area. This side has their own sink, then there's the shower and toilet in the middle, and then the other side is the sink. Really big bedrooms, really big closets, and that's the backyard. And then the outside of the house is actually gonna look like this. So instead of having the brownish kind of vibe, we're gonna have a more grayish roof, white paint, white stone, white siding with gray trim. So kind of looking like this, but with gray trim. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of that. Before we get back to the vlog, something that I forget, and I've been forgetting to do this all week, so I'm really glad the real estate agent reminded me, is I need to transfer the utilities into my name so that they'll be transferred on the day of closing so that the utility company doesn't turn them off. This is something that you really don't have to think about when you're wholesaling, because you're not responsible for the property, you know, once it closes, and the person who's buying it, who you're assigning it to, is the one who deals with putting the utilities in their name. So this is something different. I'm gonna call up the utility company for the water, electric, and gas. For the vacant side to get in my name, there's still a tenant in the other side, so they're paying all of that. And yeah, so while I make that phone call, let's get back to the vlog. All right, guys, gonna take this sample in, and hopefully there will be no asbestos in this dang popcorn ceiling. Hello.
Hi.
I was trying to bring in a sample for some asbestos testing. I called the other day.
Yep, please fill that out. You don't need to fill that one, just what you think it is, your address, your name, your address, if you have an email address, right here so I can send you the report.
Awesome, thank you.
And then just sign it and date it at the bottom.
Time flies.
I know, it doesn't it?
All right. And do I pay now?
Yeah, do you pay now or I can call you when the things, I'll take your sample.
You probably
It's
need that.
$25.
There you
Yep,
go.
do that.
And what's the turnaround time like on that?
Usually within 24 hours.
Okay, great.
Sometimes the same day, depends on how busy he is. If not, usually the next day.
Okay. Very cool.
I will send you an email
Alrighty.
on that one, and then I'll call you and I'll send you an email when the report's ready.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
All right. Well, thanks for hanging out with me today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this. And the next video you will probably see is closing on this duplex and starting the renovation. Let me know what you think of the rehab plan and everything that we're gonna do in there. And yeah, thanks for being on this journey with me, as we've been through a lot. We've been house hacking, we've been wholesaling. Now it's time to start some bird deals. So I will catch you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like before you go. Let the YouTube algorithm know this is a dope video, good content, and I'll catch you on the flip side.